Hey, what's up friends, and in this video I'm going to show you how can you earn $100 a day, how to get money online, and how can you earn $100 a day again and again. You can easily earn more than $100 in 24 hours. So if you're excited what's coming up, make sure you like this video, and if you didn't click on my description first link, so make sure you go and check out what is the course all about. This is the #1 recommendation course which I posted, link in the description. And before start this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and bell notification, so that's why you always updated on my regular value content. So in this video I'm going to show you how can you make money online. So let's get started. So first of all, you need to know what is affiliate marketing. Well, affiliate marketing is a business where you can promote someone's products and earn a commission. Like you have no product, but you want to earn money online, so you go to the affiliate network like ClickBank, JVZoo, Very Plus, and promote someone's products and earn a commission. This is #1 business right now online. Now what you need to do, just go to muchai.com. Well, Muchai is a website which tells you about the upcoming products. Did you ever hear about the time review technique? Time review is a technique in which you can review the products before publish it, and when it's published, when it's be common on online, you have always already an article on that, your video will be ranked and you got sale. So this is the simple strategy you need to follow on YouTube. All you need to do, just create a video before the launching date of that particular product, and then you can generate easily sales. You have multiple ways to create videos, like whiteboard animation, like PowerPoint slideshows, like face cam review, like review I doing right now, and this is some stuff. So you need to sign up for this account, jvzoo.com. This is free to sign up, and it's a great website. So what you need to do, just come here on the muchai.com. For example, I'm come here and I'm right here, muchai.com. It's a great website, definitely website, and I think so this is the best thing you need to know about that. So muchai.com is a website which allows you to inform you the schedule of upcoming products on different marketplace like ClickBank, JVZoo, Very Plus. Okay, now my internet is some slow, so please be patient with me. And if you didn't subscribe my this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button with bell notification, so that's why you always updated on my regular value which I giving to you guys. For example, this product's Thought Grace Animation Studio. This product will be launched soon. So what you need to just go to this product and ask the vendor for the approval request. You need to just submit approval request that, hey, Thought, I am ready to promote your product and it's my guarantee to get some sales. So you can do this from like I did. So this product will be launched August 12. So it's only 2 days remaining, 2 to 3 days remaining. So all you need to do, just go to the JVZoo page, official page of particular product, and here you will get the total information about this specific product. Now you have a multiple option of creating videos on that particular product, like PowerPoint, like reviews, like Screencast-O-Matic is a software, free software, allows you to create videos. As well, there is a software known as OBS, Open Broadcaster software, which is open source. There's nothing to buy, which is easy to use. So Animation Studio basically a software which allows to create stunning animated explainer within any language in minutes. So there are many people who are searching about this type of software on YouTube, and you can just upload the content, your review of that particular product before anyone do that. And then when someone comes here, they write Animation Studio review, your video pop up, and you will be good, definitely good sale. So simple is that you just need to wait for launching the product, and before launching you need to just create a video. You can also hire a freelancer for Fiverr.com or Upwork.com for doing this stuff, and you will be unlike as a autopilot. So as you can see over there, I'm seeing the dates of different products right now. So on No August, this product will be launched. Mario Brown, created by Mario Brown, Insta Story 2.0 Agency Edition. This product might be for related to Instagram, I guess. So there are many products. And on the other hand, this product is recently launching like 24 hours ago or 48 hours ago. So as you can see over there, if you want to promote this product, just click here, Precious NGWU ad snipper. Just click here and ask the approval. You just need to ask for the permission for getting affiliate link, and when they approve you, you are ready to go. So my internet connection doing some problems, but I hope you will understand what I actually want to say you guys. So let me. You need to just create videos before someone do, and that's it. Then you can upload on YouTube with good title, with SEO, search engine optimization, and then your all work will be rest. You don't need to open your YouTube again and watching the views. The view will become as a pilot, as an autopilot, because you have a trending review on trending product. You can also check the trending product from Google Trends. You can also take the information of what's going on trending, like this product, as you know that we need some content for creating a PowerPoint presentation. So we can also get some content right here. We can also get some content from the sale page, and we can also get some content from the Google.com as well. So as you can see that this product is a good infographic, as I guess. This product is about animation, so you can just promote your products on animation related to animation industries. So you can go to commercial license, you go to everything you want to do. So this is the all thing you need to follow. Just create a videos before someone do, upload on YouTube, and put your affiliate link in description box, and that's it. Now how can you ask for the approval? Just click here, affiliate details. First you need to just search for the good products, and if the data allow, like this product has a bunch of data available on the sale page, so it is enough for creating my YouTube video. So I just need a as you can see over there, you can get a 60% commission from $70. You can do calculate. I am no much more good. So as you can see over there, if you want instant commission right now on your PayPal account, so you need less 25 sales. Otherwise, it can gonna be 1 to 2 weeks to take your payment. So this product is looks like great. You need to just click here to grab your affiliate link, and just grab your link, like 50% 39 lakh high William Knox LLC. I'm very excited for working with you on this project. I have 20,000 subscribers list. You just need to be some liar, do some like and list, so it will be insane. Okay, and thanks, that's it. Then click on request affiliate approval. Mostly they are approved you, some of them are not, so just skip that particular product and go for other one. So this is the all strategy you need to follow. You can also let me show you that people are also doing this work. Let me show you viral commission review. If I write this keyword, you will see there are many videos popping here, And this is a person who are very great on this type of reviews, Jono Armstrong. You might be know him. So as you can see over there, 2 days ago 80 views, and from 80 views, if 30% going there and only 10 people buying that particular product, and if each product giving you $20, for example, from 80 views, 40% click on the on his affiliate link, and from 40, 10% purchase the product. Okay, 10% purchase the product. So what is that? And this product giving you, for example, $20. So 20 multiplied 10, and you got a $200 commission right away right now on your PayPal account. So this is the simple step. Let me show you how can this person create a video while a commission machine review, 5% coupon. This is a link of that. Okay, you can people are buying. Too bad I can only buy the $70. So this person are earning from 53 views, and if you got 10%, if you got only 5% to buy your product from 100 views, so that's enough to generating $100 a day. So I hope you like this video. Make sure you leave a comment below, share it with your friends, because it's a free, it's a value content, and please subscribe this channel for more support. I really need your support. Goodbye, and thank you for watching this video.